getting ready to make some cornmeal porridge. The water is boiling, so I'm adding my cinnamon sticks and my bay leaf. I'm going to have this boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. Just infuse the water so the water will be nice and spiced for when I add the cornmeal. I'll also be adding these ground spices. I have ground ginger, nutmeg, and cardamom in here right now. So we're just going to leave that little boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. So you see how the water changed color? It's very spiced up in there with the cinnamon stick. So I'm about to remove the cinnamon sticks before I add the cornmeal, because you see how the cinnamon stick has spiced up the water. The water turned brown. That's because of the cinnamon sticks. It's not dirty water, people. It's the cinnamon stick has the water looking like that, okay? I'm going to remove the cinnamon sticks. I'm going to add my cornmeal. So right now I have my cornmeal in a bowl. I'm going to add some cold water. You don't have to add the water. You can just add the cornmeal directly to the pot. Then you kind of mix everything. Now the cornmeal is thoroughly mixed, no lumps. Now we're going to add it into our pan very, very slowly. So it's going to be, I'm holding the phone in one hand. It's going to be difficult for me to pour the cornmeal while I stir. It's going to form lumps. So I'll have to put my phone down, pour my cornmeal, and I'll be right back. So I pour the cornmeal in there. You have to keep stirring in order to get a nice smooth porridge without lumps. Constantly stir. Keep your burner on low and keep stirring. Yeah, I know some people like theirs lumpy. If you like yours lumpy, just leave it for a few minutes, don't stir, and then start back. You'll form lumps on the bottom. But I personally, I hate a lumpy porridge. Yeah, I know hate is a strong word, but I hate those little lumps in my mouth. My God, I hate it. So now I'm going to add my spices, my ginger, nutmeg, and cardamom. Small amounts and stir. See there, it's nice and smooth. And now I'm gonna add some little salt. Start adding the milk. While you're adding the milk, you're gonna stir slowly, so it's not gonna splash all over. That's evaporated milk, but you can use regular milk, or you can use coconut milk. You can use whatever milk you fancy. But I'm just using what I like. And some condensed milk. If you want, you can use some. You can put in you can also add vanilla extract, if you like the flavor of vanilla extract, or even if you have mixed essence. But I personally don't like any vanilla extract in mine, so I eliminate it, but you can add it. If you're adding, you will add like 1 teaspoon. Okay, you can add some butter in here. Butter. That's optional, you don't have to do that. And you can add the cinnamon sticks that we took out earlier. You can add it right back in if you choose to. Look at this porridge. Go nice and smooth. It's not too thin, it's not too thick. Perfect. That's the way I like it. Because you know, as soon as it starts to cool, it's going to get very, very thick. You may have to thin it out with some more milk. So this is it, ladies and gentlemen. Simply Caribbean cornmeal porridge. Very good for a cold winter's morning. But hey, we in the Caribbean, we don't have winter, but we have porridge all the time, so it doesn't really matter whether it's cold or whether it's hot. We love porridge. So comment below, let me know what you guys think. So my 6 is back in there. Oh, corn porridge is so good.